Wood profits, you control. To optimize your earning power, go out on your own. You can make more money when you're in business for yourself, rather than working for somebody else. Earning a living in the field of woodworking certainly has its rewards. You get to create beautiful things individually, or as part of a team. And your primary material is wood. Whatever the species or format, crafting finished products from raw wood is tremendously satisfying. And while there's absolutely nothing wrong with being an employee, there's nothing like being your own boss. As an employee, you get paid by the hour in most cases, or maybe by the job. If you're lucky, you will also get some benefits, and maybe even the occasional bonus. Unfortunately, bonuses seem to be quite rare these days. And that's a shame. As an employer, I regularly handed out bonuses, and it paid off in increased loyalty and productivity. And it made for a much happier and more pleasant shop environment. Most of us started out working for other shops. If you want to make more money, possibly a lot more money, you need to start your own woodworking business. But you need to do it right by quoting realistic prices and keeping your costs to a minimum. One formula for success is to provide quality work at reasonable prices. Always do whatever it takes to ensure a 100% positive customer experience. This dramatically increases the likelihood of your satisfied customer coming back to buy from you again and again. It's also likely that they will tell others in their inner circle all about your shop and the work you do. One job well done and on time can lead directly to half a dozen more. It's the most cost-effective way to build your business automatically and increase your earnings. As you gain more business experience, you'll be able to streamline your systems to increase efficiency throughout the process. And every improvement here ensures more money in your wallet. If earning more money is important to you, I urge you to strongly consider venturing out on your own now. If you want to make more money in woodworking, being your own boss is the way to go. The best way to kickstart your business is to listen to others who have been in your shoes. If you want to have your own woodworking business, click the link below in the description, and give yourself a profitable jump start.